So today I'm going to be showing you how to create the services section. I will show you how to create these blocks, how to add icons, how to change the font styles, how to change the font color, all in the span of 10 minutes. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to be making the services section. But first, I'm going to be adding another color swatch. It's gonna be the same color as the button. I'm going to be making the heading text for our sections the same color. Okay, so I'm gonna add the heading here. Next, I'm gonna add some styling. I'm going to make it bold first. Then I'm gonna increase the font size. Next, I'm gonna add an underline. Go to the text section, click the three dots, go to decoration, click the underline. Then just center the text. There we go. Next, I'm gonna change the color. Select the text, go to the fill, use the eyedropper tool, and just select the color. Next, I'm gonna look at some of this dummy data and see what type of services we can offer. Also, I'm gonna duplicate the heading so that I know what the next section is gonna be about. And to do that, just select the text, click, drag, press Alt, and then release. This is going to be the about section, and we'll create that in the next video. Okay, so next I'm going to create 4 services. I'm going to create a shape first. Next, I'm going to align it to the grid. To do that, the ends and drag it. At the top, we're going to have a title. This will tell our customer what type of service we have. Underneath, we're going to show different points about the service. For that, I'll just create a text box like this. I want this to be different from the title, so I'm gonna decrease the font size and make this regular. Next, I'm just gonna copy the title and paste it. I'm gonna use the auto width option so that it doesn't take the next line. And then I'm just gonna copy all of the points and then paste them too. Next, I'm just gonna clean this up. I'm gonna use a plugin to get an icon. I recommend this one. It's called Icon8, and in the search bar you can type in whatever icon you are looking for. After you have found the icon, just click it and it'll add it to your project. Now that we have our icons, just drag them in and then resize them accordingly. Next, I'm going to change the background color. Go to Fill, click it, and select one of the colors. I'm also going to add a drop shadow. To do that, go to Effects, click the plus icon, and it will add the drop shadow. I'm just going to mess around with this until I find a color I like. Okay, so this is the super simple design we've come up with. Next, I'm gonna make sure we have aligned everything according to our grid. Next, I'm gonna group everything so we know where everything is. To do that, right click and select the group option. Next, just drag, press Alt and release to duplicate this group. And then repeat the same process to create two more. Next, I'm gonna make sure that all of our items have the same amount of distance from each other. For that, select all four items. On the right side, you will see two options. One option is to adjust how much of a distance two items right next to each other have. And the other option is to adjust the distance for items that are on top of each other. Next, I'm going to copy and paste all of the title and points for our other services, and also replace the icons according to the services. Okay, so we are done with our services section. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.